Welcome to Ride Alongside. Today is 60-second bike tips, episode number 10. How to ride farther than you ever have before. All right, step number 1, establish a baseline. Measure how far you can ride for a few hours on a repeatable route. Step number 2, flatter is faster, and faster means that you can ride farther for the available time that you have. Step number 3, develop a consistent schedule so that you can ride 1, 2, 3, or even more times per week. Number 4, measure your pace and work on gradually increasing your average miles per hour on that repeatable route. Number 5, after seeing a consistent increase in your average miles per hour, try increasing your total ride time by 25%. So if you're riding for 2 hours on your standard route, try riding for 2.5 hours. Do this at least once a month so that you can increase your total amount of time that you're riding. All right, number 6, put an event on the calendar 6 to 12 months from now. Step number 7, keep working towards that goal that you have set in the future. As you do your longest ride ever, remember to eat every hour and drink every 20 minutes. All right, so that's 60-second bike tips, episode number 10. How to ride farther than you ever have before. Hopefully you got some tools that will help you ride farther than you ever have before. If you have any questions, please leave those in the comments as well. If you have any tips for other riders that go beyond these tips that I have shared, please leave those in the comments below as well. I know a lot of people will benefit from hearing about your experiences. Well, like always, I'm Nick from Ride Alongside. Thank you so much for watching. We'll have more content for you real soon.